Mr. Speaker, sir, government remains committed to the sustainable development of Fiji's forestry sector and ensuring that resource owners continue to benefit from their forest resources. The Ministry of Forestry has provided funding of around 25.7 million in this budget. A total of 2.5 million has been allocated for the Commercial Maritime Pine Subsidy Program, and this funding will assist pine woodlot owners in Kadabu, Lomeviti and Lau through transport subsidies, helping improve returns to landowners and support the continued growth of the maritime pine industry. Government has further allocated 3.7 million for the Fiji Pine Trust Extension Program. This program supports harvesting activities, reforestation, nursery management, and maritime operation. Of these, 2 million is provided for the construction of the Wanyambia jetty in Lakemba to improve transportation and logistics and support broader economic opportunities in the maritime region. The Maritime Pine Development Program is provided 1.5 million to support rehabilitation and development activities across Kandabu, Mode, Moala, Lebuka, and Lakemba. The program includes the construction of staff quarters and office facilities, renovation works, harvesting operations, timber processing, and capacity building initiatives. Mr. Speaker, sir, government will continue implementing the RED Plus program with an allocation of 500,000 to support sustainable forest management, to reduce emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, and position Fiji to access international climate financing opportunities. And finally, Mr. Speaker, sir, 196,000 has been allocated towards Fiji's mahogany development to support the sustainable management, assessment, and development of Fiji's mahogany resources, ensuring long-term benefits for resource owners and the continued growth of this high-value industry. We are also introducing a 5-year tax holiday for businesses investing at least 5 million in new mahogany processing facilities. This initiative will support value-adding, downstream processing, and employment opportunities within Fiji's forestry sector.